Hey guys, Swaggerman here doing the second episode of Terraria. If you can't remember, in the last episode I built this tiny thing. Don't know what these holes are there. I don't know. Hey? Just don't know. Stop blaming me. Okay. So first off, I'm gonna kill this zombie because no one likes him. I am also going to I'm going to try to flatten all of this out after I kill this zombie. And then I'm going to try to build some more little houses for people. So the guide and merchant and stuff wouldn't have to live with me. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put some more stuff in after I kill this other zombie. Again. Ouch. Please stop hitting me. Stop it. I'm over here. No, I'm over here. Got you. I've been doing some stuff out of video. And, well, I've been starting to... Ooh, falling star. That guy's gonna end up dying because of his Ebola. I need a chest to put everything in because well, do I have anything? I don't know. I still don't know what to say because I'm sorry that I'm talking weird. I'm not different language, I'm English, it's just I'm very stupid. And oh my god. God damn it, I'm stupid. I mean silly. I also need to go mining one day and try to find some more stuff like iron because I need an anvil to make my new stuff. And if I don't have my new stuff, then I can't do other stuff. Put down in the comments if you want me to keep on doing this very stupid language or stop it. Because I don't know. I don't know what to say anymore. And also I like Well, in the next episode, I'm probably gonna go mining. But in this episode, I am going to be building houses. Again. And I'm gonna come and plug up this. Oh my god. Yeah, take that zombie. No one likes you. Yeah. Die. Oh my god. I have to try to plug up this hole before the demonite comes and attacks me. But look, the demonite is already here. So too bad. So, I'm trying to put myself in now. I'm tired. It's too dark. No, I'm gonna get stuck. Don't move. If you move, and the zombie will try to chase you. But come here. No one likes demon's eyes. Demon eyes. I said demon eyes. Not demon's size. You gotta comment on this video if you want me to quit the language, the silly language, or keep on going. I'm going to see which one wins. It's kind of like a vote or something like that. Here, Jake, have some light. Not two. Not two. Try to sneak two out, mate. Here, where? What's going on? Oh, I need some more wood. Don't see any trees. Uh-oh, at 12 o'clock. Uh-oh. No one likes you, Zambi. Zambi. Oh, no. Of course, knocking me off. Oh no, it's a bunny. Da, da, da. I also need to get some more wood. So probably in this video, I'm gonna get some wood. And the next episode, I'm gonna be building a. Never mind. I'm just gonna keep on going. Cause I'm awesome. I'm awesome because I'm kind of awesome. Awesome mushrooms. Yum, yum, yum. How much did I eat? 20, 30, 15? Oh no. Bad language, get the language in. Before you get Ebola. Doo-doo. So sorry. I don't know if you can see like most of this stuff, but I'm gonna try getting closer because I need more wood. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, what am I doing? I almost made it. Needle. I don't know what I'm saying. Does this look wonky to you guys? so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it finishes there. Merry Christmas. And I could get this. I need quite a lot of doors. I have no idea what to say. Literally. So I am going to kill this zombie. And then in the video. Whoa! I gotta kill all these things first. And get my money. Why? Die. No. Ha. Idiots. Idiot. Leave me alone. Don't die. No. Yes. Whee! I'm gonna put some dirt here for now. And then whee! Yeah. What if I go like this? Whee! No! Like this. Whee! Ow. Whee! Ow! Like this. Whee! Ow. Whee! Ow. It's about time. Don't die. You will get Ebola. Don't kill me, you will get Ebola. Leave me alone, Ebola faces. No! I'm gonna end up getting Ebola now. No! Why you always lying? Why you always... Run! Jesus! We just have to kill him. Why? Always gotta kill these things first. No, not today. Hey, where'd that Gemini go? And I'm dead. Nope. Not today. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace, bruh.